Graduation photos, text messages from loved ones, messages from deceased relatives, memories from your old phone sold years ago. You thought they were gone forever after you got a new iPhone? Think again. iCloud may still be silently storing them. When you create a new backup, the old backup isn't completely deleted. Some digital fragments of your past photos, messages, app data are often hidden deep within Apple's servers, inaccessible through normal recovery processes. This is your digital time machine. Open Gbyte and select Restore from iCloud. We won't use the latest backup. Instead, we'll dig into an older one. The free scan feature can uncover everything. It's not just photos. It can retrieve text messages from people you've lost contact with, app information from years ago, and even voicemails you thought were gone forever. Regular recovery features only see the surface information. Gbyte's deep scan technology pieces together the hidden fragments. It gives you access to your history that should belong to you, but Apple hasn't provided an easy way to access it. Don't let your past be erased. Download Gbyte and spend 5 minutes scanning your iCloud history. With just a click, you can rediscover a memory you cherish dearly. Click the link below to begin your free journey through time. I can't wait to see what you discover.